So today our topic is TMS application in front office. There are different modules we use in the front office, right? The PMS application for the front office has different modules for the efficient functioning of the whole department. Some of the common modules used in the front office are: one is reservations module, front desk module, rooms module, cashier module, night audit module, setup module, report generation module, and back office module. So now we will learn more about further these modules in proper description. That what is the reservations module? First is it provides room status records when the date of arrival, date of departure, and type of guest room are entered in the system. Reservations, we have already discussed with you that we have to take the arrival date while we are taking the reservations, right? Departure date and type of rooms, right? So guest information we have to record on the system, right? So room status record when the date of arrival, date of departure, and type of the guest are entered in the system. That it colors codes the room status by using a different colors. It can check the reservation status of the guest quickly, as it is can search by guest name, company name, group ID, confirmation number, or arrival and departure dates. So that when we done the reservations, we can see on our screen if we will search by the guest name, by the guest company name, by the group ID, or any confirmation number we have with us, or arrival and departure dates, so that we can easily identify or easily quickly open the reservations through these channels. Suppose we want to search by the guest name, right? So by the guest name, we can search reservations easily and quickly. Or we can use by the company name, we can search by the group ID number, confirmation number. We have already discussed previously that confirmation we get whenever we submit the reservations, then we will get the confirmation number, right? So that we can use arrival date also, we can put it just arrival date, and all arrivals today's we can get, or in future details also we can get whenever we have put it in, just put it in the arrival date on the system, right? So departure date, through departure date we can get the all the information. Then next is it displays room availability status of up to 14 days at a time by simply selecting a date. In reservations module, firstly, we have to submit all the records of the guest, right? Like guest name, guest check-in date, check-out date, type of room, how many persons they are, right? Mode of payment, right? Room tariff. So all the information we have to say in the reservations module, right? If we want to search, then we can use guest name, company name, or confirmation number, group ID, or arrival and departure dates. Then we are using the PMS software, then we can get all the room availability also status up to 14 days at a time, right? In future, for 14 days, we can get the all the information by just selecting the date. Okay. So it can be attached guest messages to relevant reservations to be delivered to the guest upon arrival. In the reservations module, we can also add guest messages to relevant reservations. Suppose we have a reservations, right? And someone having any message for the guest, right? Or anything like we have to place the fruit basket and cookies, or any kind of message we will give to the guest at the time of arrival. So we can attach that, we can also uh, search, or we can relevant guest messages, we can put it in the reservations only, right? or to be delivered to the guest upon arrival. When the guest arrived, then we can give them a message. Suppose someone going to meet him, right? So we will just mark that comments on reservations module, right? Or anything we have to give them to the guest special. So we will put on in the guest messages, right? On the reservations. Then we have the, it can automatically calculate rooms based on the room type, the rate, code, arrival and departure dates, and the number of adults and children. See, we have to put that room type and room rate code, then arrival date and departure date. And also we have to put in reservations a number of adults and children, right? So it can be automatically calculates the rates on the base of these categories when we selected, right? Like room type, rate, card, code, and arrival and departure dates, number of adults of the children. So automatically we will get the information. Now we can see on the screen that it automatically transmits confirmation of our reservations via email, fax, or internet. When we are working PMS softwares, we have attached with the via email, fax, or internet. So automatically confirmation number is sent to the guest on his or her email ID. It is available, able to post an advance deposit on a room. So we can deposit the advance also on a room. We can able to post an advance deposit on a room. Suppose I'm taking reservations. So guest will give you 2,000, 5,000, 6,000, depend on the amount. Then we have to post on his advance deposit, right, on his room. So we have the option in the reservations modules only. It can enter remarks which are visible upon reservations retrieval. Suppose I just want to check that reservations. So whatever the we have a message put it in this reservations, or any remarks we have put it in while we are saving the reservations, then that remarks is visible on the reservations rate. At the time of reservation or at the day we have a reservation, we can see the remarks easily visible, right? It can reserve and track the availability of service items such as rollaway beds, cribs, and refrigerators. We can also provide some services, like suppose if we are provide them a rollaway beds or cribs or refrigerators, so we can provide them. That it is depend on the hotel that we have the availability or not. So we have to track the availability of services items, right? So this is a reservations module where we can save the reservations, guest reservations, right? And then we can search that reservations. Then we can see the availability, room availability, how many rooms we have available for the day or in futures day, right? Any messages we can attach in the while we are submitting the reservations, right? And automatically transmit confirmation of reservations via email. We can send to the guest. Advanced post we can do it at the time of reservations. Remarks we can write down on the system, right? It can create group blocks and grouping lists for standard groups, tour series, and allotments. Yes, in reservations module, we can block the rooms, group blocks create कर सकते हैं. We can create a group blocks, and also we can do the rooming list for standard groups. Suppose the group is coming in your hotel, so we have to prepare the rooming list. So we can prepare rooming list by the using PMS software only, right? And any tool series or any allotment, we can allot the rooms also at the time of reservations only. Suppose today's arrival, so we can assign the room on the system, right? It can create special group rates. In reservations module, we can create a special group rates also. Right? Some of the hotel having a special group rates, so we will provide them, and we have to create in the system. It can use a rooming list features for rapid reservations pickup. We can use the rooming list, right? Rooming list when we prepare, when the groups are coming. So we have to prepare the rooming list that whosoever going to be stay with them, like two names or single occupancy, single name, double occupancy. We can put two names. So we have to prepare the rooming list. So the feature of for rapid reservations pickup, we can do the rooming list. It can prepare pre-assigned rooms to guests when making reservations or at any time using a graphical date chart. Yes, when we are saving the reservations on the system, we can allot that room on the time of reservations only, right? Suppose today's arrival and today we have done the reservations, that you can see on your room status that room is available and ready and vacant room. So we can allot that room for the particular guest, right? So pre-assign, we can do the room assignment, right? Before guest arrivals, we can assign the rooms through reservations module. It is able to define a share with the reservations in group bookings. We can share that option. We have the share with the reservations in group bookings. This we use only for the group bookings, right? Student, I hope you understand the reservations module properly. So then we can continue with another module. Yes. Yes, students.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, so once again, overview reservation modules.
Overview.
Yes, ma'am. Because I am late joining in the class because my network problem.
You want previous this points we have to review again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have the modules in PMS software. Yes. Different modules we use in the front office, PMS software. So first one is, I will show you the previous slide. Here is the different modules we can use for the efficient functioning of the whole department in the front office. So one is reservations module, front desk module, rooms modules, cashier module, and cashier audit module, and setup module, and report generation module, and back office module, right? So these are all modules we use in the hotels in PMS application, right? So first one is reservations module. I hope everyone knows that we have to do the reservations before guest arrival. We can do the reservations, right? Through the, we can put all the information of the guest, like suppose guest name, guest check-in date, guest checkout date, type
Yes,
of
ma'am. Yes,
room, right? All the
yes,
information
ma'am.
we have to save in reservations. So we have to record that reservations in reservations module, right? If we want to search any reservations, so that we can use by the guest name, we can use name, company name, group ID, we can use confirmation number, we can put in the reservations, and then we can get the whole information. Then we can use arrival and departure dates also, so that we can get the all the information about the reservations, right? Then we have the room availability status. Up to 14 days at a time, we can select just a date and then we can see the room availability status, right, on our screen. It can attach guest messages to relevant reservations. Suppose guest having any message, right? So we can save on the guest messages on the reservations module to be delivered to the guest upon arrival. When guest is arrived, then we can give them a message to them, so that we can add also guest messages on that reservations only, right? It can automatically calculate rates based on a room type and the rate code, arrival and departure dates, and number of adults and children and adults. Automatically, we can transmit the confirmation number of reservations via email or fax or internet to the guest. It is able to post an advance. Suppose I'm taking advance related to this reservations, right? So that reservations we have to put advance deposit on that same time, right? Whenever we are receiving the advance, so that we can post on system against this reservation number. Then when we check in the guest, then automatically that posting advance we can see on the screen, and it can enter remarks which are visible upon reservations. We can pre-assign the rooms to guests when making a reservations, or any kind of type of room time using a graphical tape chart. If the guest requests that I want this type of room only, so at the time of reservations we can also put it in the room number, right? Sometimes guests having a preference for this room only, right? Like I want this room only, so that we can use we can assign that room, pre-assign guest before arrival, we can assign that rooms, right? So that we can it is able to define and share with the reservations in group bookings. We can use that share with someone, they are sharing with the someone, so we can that reservation also we can do in the room group bookings, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So front desk module, it can access guest information easily and quickly for viewing, modification, and also or checking in procedures. So front desk module we use that access guest information, right? Easily and quickly we can view, or any modification, any amendments we can do, or we can check in procedures we can do in this module, in front desk module, right? It display a graphical room layout with the room status information, which shows the exact location of rooms. We can see that in the front desk module, that room layout, right? Graphical displays room status information. What is room status information? Room status information, that how many rooms are occupied. We can see with the different color codes, right? How many rooms are vacant? How many rooms are under out of orders, right? How many rooms are in reservations? If we allot some reservations rooms, then we can see on the room status information, right? So which shows the exact location of rooms. We can see that this room is vacant, this room is ready, this room is dirty room. So different color codes we can define, we can see on the room status. Suppose vacant room, it shows green. Dirty room, it shows yellow color. And occupied room, that shows red color. Out of order, that shows brown color. So there are different color codings in the PMS so that we can identify that this room is ready, this room is not ready. So we can exact location of the rooms we can see on the room status information. So where from we get, we'll get from front desk module, right? This information. It tracks all guest activities for the length of their stay. Now we can see in the front desk module that track all guest activities for the length of their stay, right? It prints registrations cards. We can print registration card from front desk module only. It attach individual, group, company, or travel agent information to each guest folio. So we can attach individually, group, company, or travel agent information to each guest folio from which module we can use front desk module. It automatically transfers guest accounts to the city ledger when the guests check out. We can settle the guest amount automatically transfer to guest account to the city ledger through front desk module when the guest should be checkout. It can create an incidental folio. It updates the system in case of a guest room change. If we want to change anything, any guest room, that also done through reservations module only, that front desk module only, right? Then we have the rooms module. It displays the entire layout of our hotel, showing a single floor wing at a time. One can easily go to another floor wing by using the scroll buttons and enlarge or reduce the size of floor plans for using the zoom buttons, right?